All right, I have a video for us. Yeah! Let me switch scenes so we can watch together while I eat. Because I'm hungry. If you guys have any snacks or food or anything, feel free to grab them so we can have snackies and foods together. All right.
Animal videos ever.
Part 1. Cutest animal videos ever. Let's see. If there's no Alu...
Mr. Krabs!
Oh,
He looks so cute!
Why are you still here? Go away!
Alu, you might have to go, bud. I'm being too noisy. That's you, chat. That's literally you.
I need an egg. Thank you.
That's amazing.
3 chickens.
Guys, I want chimkins. As I sit here eating a chicken.
Universe likes chicken. Point de adorable Elly plush that you can buy for the low price of
These people were lost and
29,99.
stopped to ask for
Own your
directions.
very own accurate size Elly today. Jar now included.
Woo! Thank you, Scotto! Guys, listen to Scotto. He is wise. He is wise. Dude. Adorable Elly plush you could buy for the low price of $29.99. Very accurate and very, you know, jar-sized.
In my car, maybe there's some.
Also, I gotta say, for the quality of the plushies, it's really cheap. I know 30 bucks is like kind of a lot, but for most people, but like for a beautiful plushie of that quality, it's
This sheep was
really,
stuck in a
really
trunk
reasonable.
and got
Like other
rescued.
places charge like 50 bucks.
Молодец, Свет. Умничка. Умничка.
Hi, Juzo!
Удалась.
Thank you for being so patient.
Hi, Juzo. How are you today, man? We're watching cute animals and I'm eating chicken. He fell over. Juzo, how you doing today? Wait, what the heck?
These girls found a squirrel on the side of the road that they thought could use some help.
Little baby. What's he doing?
This person tried picking up a frog.
You had a hedgehog? I want a hedgehog.
I remember a time where a chicken laid an egg on my sister, and she legit thought the damn bird shat on her cake. Also, chickens are too chaotic.
Chickens are too chaotic, but I love chaos.
Hey.
Look at that burb singing in the shower. I just want a burb and a Hans. Look at that horse.
Horace! Horace, no, that won't go in your cheek. Come here. No, no. Pass me the pen.
Whoa! I could do that. Oh! Me and who?
This streamer was trying to sneak up on this deer without scaring it.
Joke's on you. Who's scaring who?
As they installed a new security camera and it scared the snow.
I love animals. Oh, that's a chonky leopard. I can do that.
Oh, I see how it is.
Me when I stream.
Rude.
So this is really interesting, and I have no explanation for why, but this
Me when
frog
I start
refuses
streaming,
to
you guys
jump
all just
outside of the
leave.
circle.
Tough crowd. Morning walks with the gang. Oh, look at the gang.
Nah, that's the maddest, bro. Bro?
Bro?
Sick. Can I put it on, bro?
No way. He's like, that's nice. Sheesh. Okay, he has to let the monkey keep it. Look at them. That's why I want chickens. They're so cute. And they lay eggs and I love to eat the eggs.
For some reason, this horse doesn't like talking to men.
No boys, right? Especially not this one.
He made a fire to warm up his horses that were in the
Wait.
field.
The horses here.
Did we actually break Mix It Up? Did you guys actually fucking break that? You crashed Mix It Up. I thought that the mods just like muted the word. I thought they just muted the word solve so that you couldn't do it anymore. But no, you guys actually just crashed that motherfucker. No, Elly, you did. I didn't do shit. I'm opening it now, guys. Mm-hmm.
And this one might have got a little close.
Oh no,
These two little guys
baby.
were spotted doing push-ups at the gym.
No friggin' way. No way. Chat, is this real?
This gorilla was upset that their stick got stuck.
I hate it when my stick gets stuck. Oh no. I be getting my stick stuck in everything. Me when my stick gets stuck. Oh no.
MashaAllah.
Ah, you
Poor
guys.
guy got so upset.
He's like me. Oh, he shoved it.
Well, hi there. Are you good or are you bad?
Bad.
I'm not sure if this guy is really brave or really dumb.
Really brave. Really brave, and that's what you're
This poor
supposed to
pelican
do.
Suddenly fell asleep.
Oh, look at the baby. Who could have thought a pelican would be so... Oh. So cute. Hi, Sylvia. How are you today? Oh my god.
Hey,
Watching videos.
where are you going?
This cat was chasing a mouse and couldn't figure out
Videos
where
of
it
cute
went.
animals being so silly while I eat my dinner. Look at the mouse.
I grabbed the mantle of the towel.
I'm trying to.
That is a smart mouse.
I guess you never know when squirrels might attack.
That mouse deserves to live, guys. Holy shit! Why did he do that?
This pigeon was walking around and intentionally put on some bread necklaces.
Aww. I feel like that pigeon is just really smart.
This llama heard
He's
someone
saving
make
it for
a rude
later.
comment.
That was literally Tom and Jerry IRL. That mouse was smart.
Damn, did I say something?
You called it ugly! How could you call him ugly? That's mean. Oh! Ah! Don't do it, man. You're gonna choke on a bird. Like, why do they think it's a good idea? Every time they're like, yes, bird, climb into my mouth where I will proceed to
This
choke
monkey
and
just
die.
realized that he might need some glasses.
He's got my glasses. What's your prescription, bro?
He's like, whoa, no way. Aw, that's cute.
So, what do you think he's thinking about?
Chat waiting for Elly's
I think
stream.
we found out who the main character is.
That's you guys rolling up before stream starts. Oh, look at that one!
She kept being harassed by her horse, so she decided to finally catch him in the act.
Oh! Got him! So many monkeys in this video because they're so silly. They do really funny things. Because they're smart. Look at the rat! Guys, I want rats so bad. The only reason I don't is because they have short lifespan.
Say cheese. Cheese.
Oh my god! I hope he's okay. Rats make me crazy.
This
Why?
groundhog keeps stealing food from this farmer, and
I want a
always
rat
eats it directly
to sit
in
on my
front of
head
security
and help me
camera.
become a pro chef.
These otters respond
Bro
to
stole the
chasing a
phone?
butterfly.
Oh look! Okay. Okay. That is one of the cutest and purest
I
things
think
I've
this fish is
ever
dead
seen in
now.
my life. That's you. That's you for
Sometimes
sure.
an octopus will try and punch a fish just for fun.
What an asshole.
Oh my god.
Whoa!
Hognose snake, which is a harmless snake that likes to play
Hog
dead.
noses are so cute. Bah. Bah. He's so dramatic.
For some reason, this cow was trying to catch its own tail.
Oh, that's because cows are like dogs. Look how cute this cutie. Oh, he got dizzy.
I've never seen this type of disrespect before.
Okay.
He's like, fuck you and your banana. What, you think because I'm a monkey that I'll eat the banana?
For some
Fuck
reason,
you.
this hamster has a knife.
What? What? He's got a knife!
Why is this capybara so small?
He's just a little guy.
This truck that was carrying oranges broke down, so these elephants took advantage.
The guys have got a bit of a problem here. And the elephants are coming in themselves, taking advantage.
Elephants are very smart. Very, very, very intelligent. Oh.
These eagles
He's like,
were trying to build
hey,
a
why
nest
you do
together.
that? I freaking love nature. Aww. Hi. Hi. Bye. Guys, I need to get a burb. I need a burb. I need one. Every time I see videos of them, look at that.
He's done with asking and has started demanding.
Small burb.
My god.
Why are hamsters
This guy
so
found a
dramatic?
really round bear.
Oh my god, that is a chonky bear. That must be after hibernating. Or no, before hibernating.
This duck loves getting kisses.
Aww. I need a duck. Guys, I'm gonna start a whole zoo. Oh. I'm adding a peacock to my zoo. I miss my guinea pigs.
Have you ever seen a horse that's equipped with
Back.
cowbell? This pigeon was hurt, so they spent months nursing
Not
it
the
back to full health.
drive-by.
They were finally ready to release it back into the wild.
Yeah, no. That bird is yours now. Pigeons they're not meant to be wild. They're meant to be domesticated. We like domesticated them and then we released them to the wild and now they don't know how to fend for themselves. Oh!
This poor little guy doesn't know how wheels work. This
That's
fish
Opa.
somehow found a pacifier.
Oh!
This little baby chicken was adopted by this duck.
A little baby chicken, he doesn't know how to swim! He's just trying his best. He's gonna be so tired.
Dreamer pooped, yeah. So just
Oh man. You poop? Oh,
This ostrich kept bothering this giraffe.
Ostriches are assholes.
Yes.
This monkey was really excited to see her.
Deserved.
Good morning, Nick. Yeah, good morning.
This poor little guy couldn't
Yeah.
hold
Oh God, make it stop, please make it stop. Oh, I'm gonna throw up. What the fuck? So rude. Oh, he literally clutched his pearls. Look, he's clutching. He's like my heart. Damn, nice cock. That is an erect cock right there.
This penguin wasn't having a very good day after falling in some mud.
Oh no! This is the beginning of his villain arc.
This cat somehow managed to scare away a bear.
Bears are scared of cats. Cats are brave. They're
couldn't figure
brave
out
little
where the
creatures.
colors
They're
were
scary
from.
as fuck. Hiya, Mixer! It's a raccoon! Oh! Thank you so much, Mixer, for life for the 10-month resub. Thank you, Bandit, for the biddies. You must avenge your leg. I love that video. That's one of the funniest videos ever.
He's just.
This bird is trying to be as annoying as possible. So why is he sitting like this?
I feel like I should have been a bird. You know, maybe I was a bird in a different life. Oh, he's such a proper little guy.
Unexpected happened.
What? The wildebeest said, wait a minute.
Wants to take over the world.
Yes, the world shall be mine.
Nice. It looks like he's laughing.
Oh, you know that feels
She really
good.
decided that violence was the only option.
Holy shit!
Wait. Oh, Pigeon Tower.
Pigeon Tower.
This
Guys,
deer loves eating bananas.
like that was so cute.
These two fish really don't like each other.
I love this video. Look at that.
What the heck is going on here?
That is so petty.
Oh,
Why do they do that?
you have to stop coming around. Stop bringing your mates. I can see he's there. We have no food.
What's up,
Fisherman
gang?
caught a fish and then
Well, you
tried
better
to
get some
release it,
food.
but it wouldn't swim back down. This is because there was air in the gas bladder of the fish. The fisherman helped the fish burp to release the air.
Burp it out. Is that better?
Damn.
Now let's see. Oh, look at that.
That's amazing. How cool is that? Nature is so freaking. Oh. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh my god, you're rating me? Thank you!
Hi, Nanami! What's up? Hi, Nanami. Thank you so much for rating me. How is your stream today? Welcome in, Raiders. Casual Geographic. I don't think I have Barky. Would I like it? Look at that one. Like if he doesn't see me. He doesn't see me. Hi, Nami. We're watching some cute animal videos while I eat my dinner. I'm almost done. I've got some drinks tonight. I'm probably gonna be popping into some TFT games. I'm not quite sure yet. Hanging and vibing with the chat. How was your stream? Welcome, Raiders.
That is today's video. I hope you enjoyed. And
I'm eating my dinner too. You enjoy your dinner, okay? Mm-hmm.